back again. Got me another little guy, man. Just something small to mess around with. Most of my cars, you know, you don't. If you want to go out, just take something, just go bash around. Don't have too many of those. Just want to pick up these little guys, man. It's a little 14 scale. My Team Associated. It's brushless. Just something to just take outside, bash around with. Just have some fun, man. So go ahead and unbox this guy. I used to have a lot of these minis back in the day. Been out of it for a while. I just got back in. So I said, man, let me grab me another 14th scale. So go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. All right, pop the seal on her. Like I said, it's a little 14 scale. It's a 2S system in it. 12mm hexes. You know, nothing too special. Threaded coilover shocks. Turnbuckles, aluminum. I mean, you know, just a basic little ride. Got the truggy. I was actually looking for the buggy, but it got sold out, so I picked up the truggy version. Let me go ahead and pop the cover on this. My daughter's gonna help me pull the cover off real quick. She's down here. She sees some new cars, so she's like, yeah, let's go take a look. All right, so here we go. Little 14 scale. I got go ahead and pop the zip ties and stuff on it. This one also has that XP 120, just like the DR10 drag car. So I'll go ahead and get it unzipped and get back with you guys. All right, so got out the box. Again, regular XP 120 radio, just like the DR10. Got your little bag here. You got extra turnbuckle parts, pieces, stuff like that. You got your little manual here. It has an optional gear in there, it looks like. So gear right there, the buying plug as well. Okay. Servo horns. All right, this is her. A little truggy, 14 scale. Like a mini E-Revo vehicle. Body is it's pretty sturdy. Little 2S brusher system. I believe it's like a 30-something 100 kV. Can't remember. Aluminum turnbuckles. Wow, the servo feels pretty good. It's real good. Got some aluminum up here. Threaded. Oh wow, threaded shock towers. These tires feel pretty grippy. Little battery tray here. Again, it comes with Dean's. I actually want to leave these because the battery I have, a little Venom battery, has the Dean's adapter, so I'm gonna keep this on here for this car. Nice little wing back there. Here's the chassis. There's a drive shaft, goes all the way down the side, or the middle of it. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty cool little truck, man. It's pretty cool little clips up here. Like I said, it has the T and the B. It's a buggy. Also has a buggy I was trying to get, but I ended up getting this one, which is cool too. Like I said, just something to bash around outside. Just take it on out and run it, you know. Don't have to be worried about much. Don't have to go and, you know, need big old spaces to run. So I figured I'd pick up one of these little guys to have fun outside, you know. Plus my neighbor got a little mini E-Revo, so we out there, you know, bashing. You know, I feel bad taking my infraction, taking my Typhon or my Limitless, you know, stuff like that. Or my Rustler, Forte. I mean, all my cars are pretty fast. I feel bad running with those cars, you know. So get something a little more comparable. Get something more comparable to a 14 scale. So, you know, we just go out there and have fun. So, those are real quick, you know, unboxing of this little guy. Again, thanks for watching. And definitely stay tuned for some more videos. All right, appreciate it.